Meet the Animals, Episode 168, African Wild Dog.
Hello. Who are you?
I'm an African wild dog. We are mammals that live in twins. Where do you live? We live in Africa. We love the savannah. You look like a dog. African wild dogs were more like dogs. We run fast and see well. That makes us good hunters. What do you eat? We hunt wildebeest and antelope with our clans. Large clans hunt even bigger animals like rhinos. We also eat other animals with leftovers. Do you ever hunt alone? We hunt small prey by ourselves. We eat the whole animal. Eat your teeth. African wild dogs make lots of sounds, right? Yes, we can howl and wail. We can even loud laughing sound too. Do you have any enemies? Well, lions and hyenas try to steal our food. Sometimes lions steal our meals. They also attack us. Oh, I see a big lion! I'll call my group for help. Bye!
Goodbye,
African wild dog!